Will rising mortgage rates cause home prices to fall? Well, if you're a buyer, you're probably dreaming, could home prices please fall because they've gone up a lot. If you're thinking about selling this year, you're thinking, no, I want to capitalize on the market of the moment. Well, mortgage rates have gone up quite a bit. Not long ago, home buyers were getting quotes in the 2%. Now, those same quotes that were in the 2s are in the 4s. And so they have risen a lot, which makes borrowing more expensive. It makes monthly payments more expensive. So the logical thinking might be, well, this is going to impact people's budgets and home prices are going to go down. Well, a great place to always start with this is let's look at the past and let's look at the data. So over the last 30 years, 6 times there have been mortgage rate increases of 1% or higher, as much as over 2%, in a short period of time. So the past 30 years, 6 times mortgage rates have risen a point or more. And what happened to home prices during those 6 times? You want to guess? They went up every time on an average of 8% over those 6 times, which is a healthy increase. So the first thought may be, man, mortgage rates are rising, home prices are about to fall. History does not say that that has been the case. And that is not what we are seeing here in these last couple of months as mortgage rates have risen really quickly. Speaking with our trusted lender, he's like, hey, it does impact some people, but he's honestly been surprised at how few people have adjusted their budget based on this. And that's, a handful of reasons on that. If you're not buying at the top of your budget, you can absorb that cost. The cost, it may not be as much as you think, and that's why you need to talk to your lender to figure out what that is. If you were talking before and the rate was a point lower than it is now. And then thirdly, people who are selling houses and buying other houses, they often have a lot of cash because they had a lot of equity in that house. And so they're not taking out a huge payment relative or a huge mortgage relative to the cost of their house. So as you look at the rest of the year, do not think mortgage rates are rising means house prices are going to fall. Now, we don't have a crystal ball to know exactly what happens, but we're not seeing any signs of that in the market. The market is still competitive. So if you're a buyer, hey, watch our video that we did recently on what you need to do to win and prepare in this market. And if you're a seller, the time is still good now. So now might be the time for you. If we can help you think through any of your own personal situations, as always, reach out. We'd love to help.